Useful ideas for successful stock market trading. If you listen to the news, you might be a little reluctant to begin investing in the stock market. However, the truth is, if you have the right information and guidance, you can do very well in the stock market. Use this solid advice to make sure that you get good returns on all your investments. Don't let greed or impatience control your decisions when it comes to investing in the stock market. Buying low and selling high is a common tip because it makes sense to buy a stock when there's a higher chance that it will rise in price, even if you have to wait for a while. If you are investing in a stock, be aware of potential changes and prepare for them. The stock market is like a roller coaster, always going up and down, and it is crucial that you are prepared for this to happen. If you feel like you need to know more about these changes, do your research on the internet. Investing should not be considered a hobby. It's a very competitive business, so you should treat it as such. You must understand your own profit and loss as well as those companies making those investments. Keeping this in mind can make the thought process and strategy creation for investing much easier. Understanding the stock market isn't something anyone can do in a single day. It takes time and lots of effort to start to learn how the market works. Make sure that you are dedicating enough time each day to expand your knowledge so that you can become better prepared to make sound investing decisions. To increase your profits in the stock market, create a sensible plan and avoid picking your stocks emotionally. The benefit of developing a strategy that you can use to guide your stock choices will make it less likely that you will make an emotional buy. Acting on a hot tip without doing research is a dangerous way to invest. Shy away from margin positions in a bear market. Margin positions don't work well in the midst of an anticipated market decline. Industry authorities recommend the closure of market positions until the stock market starts to trend upwards. Following this simple investing advice could save you a lot over the course of your investing. If you have access to a good education and practice, investing in stocks is a great way to make money. When you use the tips that have been outlined for your investing future, you will be able to watch your investments grow. As long as you do not make hasty decisions and stick with your plan, you will be happy with the choices you make. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.